She had many sons and daughters she would raise like hell. Louis, man of the family, he would teach him all, teach him to feel no pain. What happens when we fight and bicker? What happens when we fight over nothing at all? What happens when you yell at your brother? What happens when you choose to throw some stones? Louis, he passed early, had one too many, a cigarette each day. And Mary, stubborn as any, held on a little bit longer to stay. And when Mary went off to see Louis, the family split off and were never seen again. What happens when we act like children? What happens when we're just as stubborn as a mom? What happens when we don't see each other? What happens when there's just no family at all? What happens when we don't see each other? What happens when our family is falling apart? What happens when we raise our children? What happens when we forget to teach them how to love? What happens when we lean on each other? What happens when there's just nothing to lean on? Forget all the times we share with each other. How can this be so easy yet so hard?